So welcome guys, we are here and again with a different problem, and this problem is having a lot of varieties. So I just make all the views, that means the front view, side view and the top view quickly. So remember my approaches, my logics, my tricks, then you can easily make a solid and a natural and accurate drawing. So here start. So this is our x direction, that means this shows our front view. So start with the front view. This shows our front view. So this is our front view. And what about the front view? What seems from the front view? So we all know clear that from the front view we measure, or we can see the length, that means this, the length and the height. So what is length? So the line which is perpendicular to direction is a length. So here this, the 100 mm line, so the actual length. So this is our 100 mm. And what is about the height? So the maximum height, here you all are clearly seeing that is a 75 mm. So our height is 75 mm. So from the front what appears among these objects? So from here, this is a complete 100 mm and a 75 mm object draw, and now in which starting from here 32 mm and the height of 25 mm, again the length is 32 mm, which is come to the left side, and the height again 25 mm. So this dimension, that means, one second, these dimensions are, and from the front view the object is look like this. So here we know, according to first angle projection method, the first angle projection, the front view is the side view is drawn opposite side. So here this is our x direction, so this view is our right hand side view. This view is our right hand side view. So one second, right hand side view. Then this is so to the left of the front view. So here it is front view and it is right hand side view, it is drawn to the left hand side. So here we draw here side view, from here we draw front view, and from here we draw the top. So now for here from here first we draw front view. So the dimension is made here. So the length is 100 mm. So here we draw 100 mm line like this. One second, arrange MD pass. This is 100 mm line. And what about the height? That is 75 mm. So this vertical line shows the height. Now from here we draw like this and make it as a complete box. Now from again here, this line is also 75 mm. So start from 4, then this is 11.5, and now complete this. So this is the box of the front view. Okay, now starting from the here, from the lower side, so we all know that is both sides the line 32 mm. So here we draw these like this, 32, that is 32 mm, and also that is 32 mm. Now it is 25 mm perpendicular from this line. So here this is clear, this line set the MD parallel to it and draw 25 mm above from here. So starting from 7 we draw like this, and from here we draw again 25 mm and make and join from the ends. So this is the starting view. Okay, now what again we appear, then now this green color again. So what is the dimension? So completely this 100 mm, then now that is 25 mm clearly seen, and the middle portion is 50 mm, and again this is 25 mm. So mark 25 mm from both ends, because this is 25, this is 25. So 25 mm line again here, the 25 mm line is this. And what about the height? So clearly you know this comes below 38 mm below the below from the top. So from the 75 mm of the height, and when after marking 25 mm line point, we draw this line 38 mm below from this. So parallel to it and draw from here 38 mm line, 38. So starting from 13, so that is, and that is 38 mm. Okay, now from again here also draw 38. So this is 10, 20, 30, and this is 38. Now make this join these two lines. So the front view looks like this. Okay, now what about the here this 9 mm long line is not clearly seen from here, so we make it a dotted line. So when after completing both the views, so this line, that means this 9 mm line also draw. So I put here and here, this not represent, so this is dotted and this is actually appears here. So marking 9 mm above this line, and it is a dashed line, so it is represented by the other pencil. So I use this is a dotted line, hidden line, and this is solid line, and again this is the hidden line. Okay, so this is a complete front view. Now we draw the top view. So what is the condition for the top view, and what we see reappears from the front, from the top. So 1 second, I just use another pencil, color pencil, because you clearly saw the object when we viewed from the top. So now the second view from the top, what we appears. So this object, firstly we make a dimension for this. So from the top, what appears? Length and width. So length is again 100 mm, and now what about the width? So this line 63 mm is the width. Okay, so from the top, this we all see in clear, this object, okay, this, so now from the top what we seen, so this red color, red box, all the box with the containing red color shows the top view. So now we start from drawing from here. So what is the top view? So I make a dimension. So you know what is length is 100 mm, and what about the width? It is 63 mm. So I use the red pencil for showing this object. 1 second. So starting from here, draw and a box of 100 mm into 63 mm long line. So here we draw this. So again for 100 mm, and this is complete 100 mm line. So now from here, this is 100 mm line, and what about the height? So the height is 63 mm. Sorry, the width is 63 mm. So draw below from here 63 mm long line and join this object with the light pencil, because here this is not appear anything here. No, we can see anything because this is blank. So I use a pencil, because if we use this line then we can't erase it. So again complete with 100 mm and 60 mm long line boxes. So this like this. So start from here. So this is your 100 mm line. What about it? So 1 second, this is again a 38 mm long line. I forget to make a dimension. So this is again this length, total length. This is the total length. This is again 38 mm. So draw 38 mm from both the sides, and so let's start. So starting with 38 both the sides we draw 38. So this you clearly see in 38, and mark 38 here. And what and how many long this comes here, and this is drawn to backward side. So this is the 25 mm. So here we draw the 25 mm. Again from here we draw the 25 mm. Okay, now what? This goes inside of about 19 mm. So here we just pull this line 19 mm backward. So 19 mm, this is your 19 mm, and again this is your 19 mm, and make this line like this. Okay, so this shows the clear object. 1 second, this is okay. And 1 second, this you look like this red color is also, this box is also view complete along with this box. So I make this line completely, this line is joined complete, so like this. So from the top, this is only that part, and what we miss, we can, let's draw of this boxes like a 32 mm, and this is, what about this? So this is 38 mm, and total height is total width is 63 mm. So 63 and minus 38, so this is again 25 mm. So mark from here 32 mm. We are putting this line, just make straight and mark here again here, and draw this is complete line and 25 mm. So like this, and from below this is a complete box. red color box 32 and 25. Again this is 32 and 25, and this is a gap because there is no any thing which we can show here. So remove this line. We want to remove this line, and your front view is completely, it looks like this. Okay, and here again two types of dotted lines are appears. What two types of this dotted line? So we know from both the ends, that is 12 mm, and again that is a 12 mm line. It is not appear clear from the top view, but it is still in here. So what it makes along with the width. So what this is the width, so draw 12 mm from both end like this, and it is shown by a dotted line. So here again you use this and mark 12 mm and make it a dotted towards the end, last end. So this is your dotted line, which we can't see from the top because it is on the right hand side view side. And again from here we draw 12 mm line, and this is only seen, and this is hidden for these boxes like this. Okay, so draw this, draw like this. Okay, and this is clear from any hidden line because there is no anything exist here. So this is your top view, and now we can talk about the side view. So here this is your side view. So what you all know, this only this is are completely seen here. This remaining white portion, so it is not seen from clear, just back side of this, and also this is the back side of this. So again we just draw these views. So 1 second, I put it color, I make it a complete. So from the side view, only this line, not this. This is a front view case. So 1 second, I dark it because you have no confusion between the front view and side view. So it is free. So this box completely shows the right hand side view, and which is drawn from here. So what is the dimension of the side view? So the dimension of the side view is length, that is not length, width and height. So what about the width? So this is 63, and what about the height? So this is 75 mm. So now draw from here. So we use you all are using HB pencil for showing this line. I use this. So now first we draw a height, and that is 75 mm, no doubt, and you put this line parallel to here, this. And now from here we draw, we just mark 63 mm, just ticking the 63 mm. So here you all are seeing 63 mm. So this is 63 mm, and now start from here. This is 12 mm line, this is 12 mm line, and the minimum height is 9 mm. So you just draw this. So from here we draw 12 mm, just 12 mm, and here again 12 mm. Okay, now what is the minimum height? This is 9 mm from to upwards to the above, 9 mm, and again it is a 9 mm. So make it like this. And now we are already draw this, so we already draw like this, and now are moving to the from here to the left side 38 mm. So this line draw the line of 30 mm to the back side. So here start here, this is your 12, so 10, 20, 30, and this is your 38. Okay, now again we complete here. Now this line is drawn below it and joined from here. So what about this? So we know this is 25 mm, total height is 75 mm. So this is our 50 mm. So make this is parallel to it and drawn 50 mm below. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 50 mm. And now from here we again draw 25 mm. So this is your 25 mm, and make join these two lines. So this is your side view, and here again hidden line are also come. And what about the hidden line? So firstly, this 90 mm line, which is to the inside of this 38 mm long line, are not seen from this side. So make this line hidden. How? So please fix your MD parallel to it and draw dotted line from here. So this is, and now from here parallel to it again draw a line of 38 mm. This is a 38 mm line. It is also not seen from here, so it is also dotted. And along this, so what about it? This is 19 mm. So again this is 19 mm. Okay, and join these two lines. So it looks like this. Clearly, you all seen it looks like this. One second. This is your dotted line. So from here we draw 19 mm, 19 mm from any sides, because this is 38 mm. So 19 mm line is this, and what about it? This is 30 mm. So line, this line is this line. Okay. So what we have done, so we make it a dotted line. Okay, like this, and this is goes toward like this. So this is hidden again till the end. Okay, now again one hidden line also comes, and what is here? We see, we don't see this line, this height. Okay, so again we draw, this is hidden. Okay, so you use this pencil, I forget it, you use this, don't worry, you using H pencil or 2H pencil for showing the hidden lines. Okay, so the complete views, the complete structure or complete orthographic projection, or you can say all the three types of views are seen here. I make a dimension for this. So 1 second. So complete the views with this dimension. So here this is a front view, no doubt, and this is your top view, again here is no doubt, and this is your right hand side view, and which is drawn to the left hand side view. So this is your right hand side view. So I hope you all are like this video, and so thank you guys for watching. And आपको ये वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। आप डायरेक्टली यूट्यूब पे मेरे चैनल को संजीव गंजीर बेस्ट से भी सर्च कर सकते हैं, सर्च इंजन से। तो दिस इज़ संजीव गंजीर बेस्ट, आप डायरेक्टली भी सर्च करके मेरे चैनल और मेरे वीडियोस का फ़ायदा आप ले सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू गाइस अगेन वॉचिंग, एंड हैव अ गुड डे।